So yeah, it's been a while, but today I have a flight. I'm going to Poland for Easter. So I'm packing. I'm only bringing my backpack. So it's snowing all week. Hopefully the flight doesn't get cancelled. Now we're walking to go see the in-laws before I leave. Just walk, man.
I thought you were talking to me.
No, you're just watching that video. Now we're on our way to the airport. We're gonna chill at our aunt's place for a while and then we're headed to the airport. So I'm probably going to Gary's. She's afraid of me. So we just arrived at the airport. Alright, so I'm heading out. So yeah, I got to airport security now. Now I have a few hours. So I'm just gonna do some drawings, burn some time. So I brought my iPad with me. Taste Poland. So we've landed now and we're in Warsaw in the airport. About to head out to meet my friend. I'm gonna head to Radom. So he says at Terminal 2. Ah, hey, oh, ah, 100 million done for each other. From you looking at me, I know say me charge up. Alright, let's see what I got.
This is very wrong. The red thing. So do you know this is the highest building in Warsaw? Before that, the highest building in Poland.
Yeah.
And also, so like here, the straight, not this one, this one.
Okay, we're going to his mom's place in the city, and later we'll head to Radom, you know. Oh my gosh, the sun is real, guys. The sun is real. I can feel it on my skin. It's not artificial sun. I feel the sun
In my veins.
I'm actually walking outside, guys.
I'm walking on sunshine.
I'm walking outside. Jeez.
Oh, I'm walking on
I miss this.
Whoa.
Oh, the smell.
Flavor.
Whew.
Oh, this.
The taste of the air tastes so. So we're at this royal palace thing. I've never been here. I've never seen this or been here. All my years of coming to Warsaw. Look at this. That's nice. That's a nice angle right here. I can just sit right here. Musisz płacić 10% deposit.
Deposit, no.
This is the National Stadium. Polish National Stadium.
Biało-czerwone.
I played there like 3 times for national team.
Too late.
Never too late to try.
You learn.
Dawaj, Polska!
Jazda.
Jazda! Radom! I love Radom. Do you love Radom? Yeah, I know you love Radom. We love Radom. Let's try. Remember, I'm a Tina, man.
You can also come.
I remember if you can go like Bravo to the access. So now we're about to take the train to go meet them, you know, because they won't return until late tonight. Now we're hiding because we don't want them to see us. We want to surprise them, so maybe we'll go through the bush. Ja słyszałem, Grusza.
Ta z drugiej strony, dawaj.
Ktoś jeszcze jest tam.
Tak, wiem, no trzeba szybko.
Idź. You go first.
Nie, musimy razem.
No, first.
Razem.
Ja później. Ja słyszałem Gosza. I want to surprise him, but I'm telling him to go first so he can distract him. Chodzisz mi się z lasu, patrz mi się z dziurę,
No, zaraz go znajdę. Widzisz?
Football game, want some ball. See what's bracken. I'm gonna play some FIFA before we go to bed. Destroy him a few times and send him to bed. Bedtime after I destroy him on FIFA. I'm staying with the family tonight.
Nice match,
So now we're going to the game. You know, my team I used to play for. So I'm gonna go see them, say hey, what's up?
What's up?
So just met some of the guys I play with. This is Silvek,
Korgul
Gargul,
and Zenek.
Zenek. So now we're going to the locker room to say hi to the guys and stuff. Wydaje mi się, jak deszcz będzie padał. Deszcz.
Czy deszcz może padać?
Nie.
No po to wziąłem parasolkę.
Możliwe.
Mówiły w radiu.
Trochę jest takie, ta pogoda jest taka...
Czekaj, ja.
Czuć trochę takie wody.
Wody, yeah.
Przeloty na Mazowszu.
Teraz, now I'm going to my ex-boss's place for dinner and then meet with some of my friends. So I couldn't video at my boss's place because I didn't want to impede on the privacy, you know, but I'm here at the city center now waiting for my friends. We're gonna go eat something and chill, you know. Now we're gonna meet the twins, gang. So we all here having some food. I don't know which twin this is. I don't know which one this is either. But we out here and this is
Ala, to jest Ola.
Ola. Now we're gonna get some ice cream. So now after get the ice cream, we're walking somewhere. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. We're going to the park. Got a beautiful church right here. My camera doesn't do it justice.
My mother had
Went to church here?
no.
She was
was
christened
married here.
in here, yeah?
Yeah.
So I just woke up. Today's my last day here. Kind of feel sad, bro. Today's like important day because it's like Easter holiday, so we're gonna have like nice dinner with family and stuff. So you know, now I'm getting ready to go out there. Everyone's here. You can hear them in the back. So I gotta look kind of decent. So.
Tak samo tutaj dziś parkował i nie poszedł na wyjaśnienia i po roku przyszło mu chyba
Sądu.
4000 musiał z sądu
No, z sądu,
zapłacić.
bo to idzie do sądu i
Tak,
tyle.
4000 musiał zapłacić.
Zeniu, do zobaczenia w Polsce.
Tak jest.
Alright, cheers, Joe.
Do dobrego.
Cheers, Joe.
No i wynoka.
We're headed to say goodbye to the twins and then we'll head to Warsaw to the airport. So here are the twin skis. Whoa, I'm stuck. Sheesh.
przyjechaliśmy na to sobie miasteczko. I forgot.
Oh my gosh, I feel so
Dla
excited.
Godardy.
Yeah, we're heading to the capital, Warsaw. Last time I was here, he was playing on this too. Bro, don't ever use the bathroom at the airport. Massacre. We're going through security. He has to go because we don't want to pay all them bills for parking. So he's fighting himself not to cry. Look at that. I was through the gate, yeah. And the lady was speaking English, and I said, you know you can speak Polish, right? I said, możesz mówić po polsku, wiesz? And she said, oh, bitches. So we're home now. About to go up. So that's it.